Hi. Yeah, come in. Yeah, I know it can be a lot, with the charms and all the... Anyway. Yeah, I grow and dry a lot of my own herbs. Oh, just for things like, teas, salves, potions. Oh, I don't... No, I'm not really the potion type. I dabble, but we should sit down and get started, huh? I know, I can't believe it's already almost midterms. This semester has been so much more demanding than I thought. You too? Yeah, I notice you've kind of been nodding off in our morning class. Are you not sleeping well? Well, hopefully once we get this done, you're able to take a break. Yeah, let's get started then. Well, that didn't take as long as I expected. Yeah, I'm just super relieved it's done. You almost finished with yours? Yeah, I just finished. I could make you a cup of tea while you wrap up. Yeah? Yeah, it is one I made myself. Here, let me go start the kettle. Here you go. Wait. It's still hot. Why don't you wait a few minutes until you're finished there, and then you can try it. Yeah, I've been having a pretty good semester. Just, working hard and practicing some new things, I guess. I don't think so. No, I don't think witches have the most interesting tracks at the school. I really admire what you're doing too. I know you work really hard and you seem like you're a really good student. I mean, you seem like you're really good at a lot of things, I've noticed. Just that you work hard in school, and you're always friendly and outgoing. You seem to have a lot of friends. You're involved in a lot of stuff. That's all really admirable. You just seem like a really interesting, nice, kind, confident... I'm gonna stop talking. What's really sweet? Oh, the tea, yeah. I kind of like sweets, so I might have gone a little heavy on the honeysuckle. Do you like it? Yeah? I'm really glad. You're finished with your presentation, right? Okay, great. Oh, no, it's just, it's getting late, so I figured you'd probably want to head back to your place. You want to stay? Feeling how? Are you not feeling well? What's wrong? You feel a little dizzy? And like you've got butterflies. That's odd. You've been feeling strange since you drank the tea? Oh, I'm really sorry. I didn't think it would have that kind of effect on you. What else is happening? You can't stop looking at me. That's normal, right? I mean, we're the only ones here. Anything else? You feel like you want to get closer? And like I what? Gave you a love potion? No. Oh my gosh, no. Absolutely. I swear it's not a love potion. I would never do that to you. I would never do that to anyone. That's so messed up, and I don't agree with anyone who does that, because it's just you need someone's consent for things like that, and I would never take away your choice. It's, oh gosh, it was just supposed to be a tea to help you sleep. Yeah, I know. Listen, I shouldn't have even done that without asking you first, but I knew if I offered that you probably wouldn't want it, because I know you feel kind of weird about things like, potions and charms, but you've been so tired and so stressed, and I felt really terrible seeing you so tense all the time, and you said that you haven't been sleeping, and I just wanted to be helpful. That's why I wanted you to wait to drink it, because I thought I could just walk you back to your dorm and make sure you got in safe, and then you would just have a good night's sleep now that this project is over. And I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Do you hate me now? It's okay if you do. God, I'm so stupid. You don't? You don't have to say that just to make me feel better. I really am so sorry. Yes, I really was just trying to be helpful. But wait, did you really mean what you said before about all of those things that you're feeling, because that shouldn't be happening. No, it shouldn't. This recipe, it should just, I don't know, give you a feeling of kind of like peaceful drifting. That's what the book said, at least. You know, it's not it's not supposed to like knock you out or anything. I wanted something that would be you know, gentle and pleasant, just kind of give you a warm, calm feeling, like you'll let yourself just drift off to sleep and know that you deserve a good night's rest. At least that's the intention that I put in. Is that not what's happening? Oh my gosh. There's no way I could have messed up this recipe. It's nowhere near the love potion, and I didn't even look at the love okay, well, I looked at the love potion, but I didn't even consider for 1 second that I would ever give that to you. So I don't know why you would be feeling that way about me right now. Yeah, feeling butterflies and dizzy and like your heart's fluttering. That shouldn't be happening. You think it should? Why on earth would that be happening? You think it's 'cause? Go on. You think it's just... You think it's just because you... Why are you laughing? Are you making fun of me? No? What's so funny then? Dense? Dense? How am I dense? What do you mean? Wait, you have not been flirting with me for weeks. Well, yeah, we always sit together in class. And you compliment me. And when did you ask me out? That's not asking me out. We just go to the cafe to study together. And I thought you just wanted to come here because I don't know. You said you wanted to spend more time with me in private. That was supposed to be a hint? Oh. Yeah, I guess a lot of things are starting to make sense now. Oh my gosh, and I screwed this all up by trying to make you potions, and I can't believe you did this. I can't believe you actually tricked me into thinking that I gave you a love potion. No, that is so not funny. No, I won't forgive you for it. You're terrible. I'm terrible? I'm terrible at potions? What do you mean I'm terrible at potions? We just established I didn't mix up the recipes. I didn't give you the love potion. Oh, crap. You're not even sleepy either? Alright, well, this is why I'm not a potions major. Guess I know what I'm gonna be taking next semester. Oh, a willing test subject, huh? Well, it's good to know I've got a little guinea pig.